in it? Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog number 5. In this vlog, I'm going to be showing you a quick trip to Washington, D.C. The World War II Memorial is dedicated to the 48 U.S. states, the territories of the period, the District of Columbia, as well as the Commonwealth of the Philippines. That was the name of the Philippines from 1935 to 1946, when it was still controlled by the USA. Jenny! Jenny! The Lincoln Memorial is an American national monument built to honor the 16th President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln. The Korean War Memorial commemorates the sacrifices of the Americans who served in the U.S. during the 3-year period of the Korean War. The Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial honors his legacy and his struggle for freedom, equality, and justice. Aw, cherry blossoms. Look at how pretty they are. We came at the perfect time. This is a National Air and Science Museum. I'm doing a separate vlog for this, so please stay tuned.
What are you doing?
Vlogging. The Capitol Building is the home of the United States Congress and the seat of the legislative branch of the U.S. federal government. So this will be on a separate vlog as well, when Oprah interviewed me. And that's the closest we can get to the White House. Excuse me. Excuse me.
What?
Could you help me, please? Are you Filipino?
I'm Hawaiian.
You're Hawaiian?
Yes.
Do you like Hawaiian pizza?
Yes!
You do?
Yes.
Some people don't like it. What can you say about that?
Well, they're haters.
Haters!
Pineapples are the best on pizza.